Most guys think you need to own your own truck to break six figures. I used to think that too, until I made six figures for several years in a row as a company driver. No truck payments, no fuel bills, no insurance headaches, just driving. Here's how I did it. Back in 2018, before I bought my Kenworth, I was a company driver, running natural gas liquids to help blend heavy oil. I had been trucking for a long time, most of it in the energy industry in one form or another, but I didn't own any equipment yet. That year, and for several years after that, I cleared six figures, no problem. I wasn't special, I wasn't running 1,000,000 miles a year. I just understood one thing most drivers don't. Not all company driving jobs are the same. There's a myth that company drivers are all capped, that you'll never make big money unless you buy your own rig. It's just not true. There are niches out there. For example, heavy haul, specialized hauling, some construction hauling, tankers, dangerous goods, that sort of thing. Even log trucks, some logging guys do pretty well. Some of these pay serious money for the right experience. Most drivers don't see these jobs because they're not on the main job boards. Some of them are word of mouth. Or you might actually think this job is out of reach for you. But if you know where to look and you're willing to hustle, you can find them. So here's what my year actually looked like. I was on a rotation, running federal hours of service, which means working a maximum of 70 hours in up to 7 days, followed by a 36-hour reset. Sometimes I would work 5 to 7 days, take 36 hours off, and then head straight back out for another shift. Although it was normal to have 3 or 4, even 5 days off between shifts, depending on how busy it was. The pay averaged around $500 to $600 a day, sometimes $700 plus, if I got lucky. By the end of the year, that was roughly $112,000. Now, I was not going as hard as a lot of people to earn this money. Many of my coworkers would work more days than me. My preference was a little more home life than average. Here's a couple more years where I took longer vacations and still cracked six figures. Again, remember, I was an employee, not an owner-operator, and that meant zero truck expenses, no fuel bills, no maintenance nightmares. That's what most people forget. It's not just how much you make, it's how much you keep. But don't get me wrong, it might not be easy. There might be long hours, tough conditions, and lots of nights away from home. But for me, it was worth it. I was stacking cash and learning the business without the risk of owning equipment. That experience gave me the confidence to buy my own truck later on, and that's where things got interesting. If you've been through tough times or you're trying to bounce back, don't quit on yourself. The right opportunity can change everything. If you're out there grinding every week, wondering if six figures is even possible, it is, because I did it, and so can you. In my next video, I'll tell you what happened after I bought my own truck. Including the month, I grossed over $48,000. But for now, remember this. You don't need to own a truck to build a career. You just need to know where to drive it. This is Truckster, from the field, for the field. Hit subscribe, we're just getting started.